Hi, this is Scott CPA again. Today we're talking about payroll tax liability and trust fund penalty. Welcome back. Before we begin, I want to draw your attention to the two buttons on my blog. Click here for a free tax relief consultation, or click here to view my free tax resource library. Back to our topic of the day, payroll tax liability and trust fund penalty. Trust fund penalty is a 100% penalty on the person who is responsible for payment of withheld federal payroll taxes and FICA taxes from the employees of a company. The IRS views failing to pay payroll taxes as the cardinal sin of tax delinquency because a large portion of the payroll taxes are your employees' withholdings. It's not your money. Not paying your company's payroll taxes is tantamount to stealing your employees' money in the eyes of the IRS. As a result, penalties for not paying your company payroll taxes and filing your payroll tax returns are much more severe than other types of penalties. They can dramatically multiply and grow the amount you owe in a very short period of time. If you're behind on paying payroll taxes on time for your company, watch out. If you are a control person and not just necessarily an owner or officer, you are also liable for these taxes personally. The IRS will seize your personal assets, bank accounts, put your employer out of business, rather than let you continue not paying your payroll taxes. The IRS will go after the company responsible for the payroll taxes and the control person at the same time. A control person may simply be the bookkeeper, the person who signs the checks, or other responsible person, even if that person is not the owner or an officer of the company. The trust fund penalty is 100% of the withholdings of federal and FICA from the employee, plus interest. Other payroll tax penalties to employer are: failure to file payroll tax returns on time is 5% per month, up to 25% of the taxes. Failure to electronically pay your taxes on time can be 10% of taxes not paid. The schedules of payments due dates depend on the amounts of taxes due. This can be within 3 days of your payroll dates for a large employer and up to once per quarter if the taxes are very low for a small employer. Many small employers pay monthly. Actual due dates and more detail is available at www.irs.gov. I know this is a lot of information, but the point to all this is don't ever get behind on payroll tax payments or filings. The IRS takes payroll taxes very seriously. If you have any payroll tax problems or you receive a collection notice for payroll taxes personally, you should hire a qualified tax problem specialist. We have experience and strategies in getting tax releases and negotiating with the IRS to get you the lowest amount that you have to pay. My contact information is below. If you have this problem or know someone with this problem, please share this video or contact me. Until next time, I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks again.